The city of Rome, located in Italy, is an enchanting destination that attracts millions of tourists every year. Known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture, Rome offers visitors a unique travel experience. One of the most striking features of Rome is its breathtaking landscape. The city is known for its 7 hills that offer panoramic views of the surrounding area. From the top of these hills, visitors can admire the vast cityscape and the beauty of ancient ruins combined with modern architecture. Rome is often referred to as an open-air museum because of its abundance of historical sites and monuments. From exploring the magnificent St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel to strolling the picturesque streets of Trastevere, there is no shortage of things to see and do in this charming city. Rome's tourism industry thrives on its abundance of attractions. From the famous Colosseum to the impressive Vatican City, there are countless attractions that showcase Rome's rich history and architectural grandeur. Visitors can explore ancient ruins such as the Roman Forum or immerse themselves in art at renowned museums such as the Vatican Museums. In addition to its historical and cultural attractions, Rome also boasts a vibrant culinary scene. From authentic Italian pasta to delicious gelato, food lovers will be spoiled for choice when it comes to dining in this gastronomic capital of the world. Whether you're going to Rome for a short trip or planning an extended stay, it's hard not to be enchanted by this timeless city. Its combination of history, beauty and charm makes it a must-visit destination for travelers from all over the world.